Wow, now that's a cool view. What the hell? What did I just witness? He was going to take us all out like bowling pins. Go. Oh, okay, that's like a farmhouse over there. Go now? Okay. See? Golden hour. It's like all layered. It's like a rippled haze. Oh, petrol station, right, can we pull in here? What is it? No. What is it? How do you say how do you say, no. Jolshu. Yeah, there's the planes right there. Must be in here. Yeah? Whoa, steady on. Well, I want to get a picture in front of this, yeah. This is better. 600k followers on Douyin. I'm a professional portrait cameraman, come here travelling. One man, one cat, one dog.